In the early hours of the 12th of July 2024, a severe landslide occurred at Kuliang in East Jaintia Hills District along National Highway 6, causing significant traffic disruptions. Vehicles traveling to Jowai and Shillong from Umkiang and Ratacherra were forced to turn back due to the road being completely blocked by mud and debris. The district administration swiftly initiated debris clearance operations. A truck caught in the landslide was witnessed to have almost been swept away by the flow of mud, sticks, and stones.